Whether you're driving on a busy road or parked for the night, get the day and night protection your vehicle deserves. Introducing the Blackvue DR750X Plus series full HD cloud dash cams. The DR750X Plus features an upgraded Sony STARVIS sensor, giving you stunning clarity and vivid colors, even in the most challenging of situations. The extended dynamic range means that your Blackvue will capture even more detail in highlights and shadows. The front camera records at 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical moments even at high speed. Built-in voltage monitoring lets you hardwire your Blackvue for ultimate protection when you're away, without draining your vehicle's battery. With Blackvue Cloud, you can rest easy, knowing you can check in on your car at any time and even receive notifications of events. Blackvue DR750X Plus series. Dash cams you can rely on. Find yours at blackvue.com.